In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and export contacts in Outlook. Let's launch the Outlook app. In the title bar, click on File. In the left side menu, click on Open and Export. In the Open menu, click on Import and Export. You can do both import and export from this menu. But there is a catch. You have to export your contacts as a CSV file, but you can't import the contacts from a CSV file. For importing contacts, you must have a VCF or vCard file. Let's see the exporting procedure first. Select Export to a file and click on Next. Here you have to select your file type. In my case, I will select the file type as separated values and click on Next. Now you have to select what you want to export. For this tutorial, we will select contacts from here. Click on Next. Here you have to select a location for your file. I will leave this as it is, but you can select your own location from here. Click on Next again and then Finish. This is the CSV file we just exported. Now let's see the importing process. Go to the Import and Export menu just like before. Now select Import a vCard file and click on Next. As I mentioned earlier in the video, in order to import a contact, you must have a VCF or vCard file. If you have a CSV file, then you have to do some manual work for that. But if somebody sends you a vCard file, you can import it easily. Here I have a vCard file, so I will just select it and click on Open. Now if I go to Contacts, you can see that my contacts are imported here. Following these steps, you can import and export contacts easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.